Jennelle Eliana.
Jennelle.
YouTube van life viral sensation.
Quick rise.
Jennelle
who has
Eliana.
been blowing up on YouTube.
So how exactly did Jennelle do it? How did she gain over 1 million subscribers literally in just weeks? In this second video, we'll explore how Jennelle triggered the YouTube algorithm, allowing her to drive more than 23 million video views in just weeks. Stick around.
Brian G. Johnson.
Brian G here, and to grow on YouTube, stake your claim and amplify your message. Do that by subscribing. Click on the bell notification and you'll be on your way. So here's what's really interesting. You see, Jennelle was able to transcend van life on YouTube, and she crossed over to the mainstream. Transcend, to go beyond the range or limit. And she did that by crafting and creating videos for a very specific, again, a broad audience. And here's the thing I want you to think about if you want to blow up on YouTube. If you want to succeed, it's really important to be intentional. Intentional, done on purpose, to be deliberate. And the more I research and really look into what's happened with the crazy growth that Jennelle has experienced, the more clearly I see just how intentional she's been. And you see, Jennelle did just that. She was really deliberate. She was really intentional with so many of the things that she did, and it resulted in tremendous growth. For example, if you look at her first 2 videos that she published, she cherry-picked the topics that are proven to be winners. She's cherry-picked topics that have already driven millions and millions of views for other YouTubers. Really, really smart. And what's really interesting is when we look at both of these videos, they were crafted in a very specific manner to appeal to other people beyond those people that are just interested in vans. So think of it like this. A lot of the videos that I've watched on the whole van life niche on YouTube, they start off with footage of a van. That's about it. It's like, here's the van. And they didn't take the time to be cinematic. They didn't take the time to create something that was cool and fun to watch. And who's that gonna be appealing to? Pretty much only those people that truly are interested in van life. Jennelle didn't film her videos like that. Not at all. I want to give you a concrete example of exactly what I'm talking about. In her first video, this is how the footage begins. It's cinematic, it's colorful, it's a bright blue sunny day. You've got beautiful footage of the Pacific Ocean. If you like sunshine, if you like the ocean, this is pretty dope stuff to watch, and it appeals to a broad audience. And it's also got trendy music playing, and it was shot on a gimbal. Now let me ask you, how many of these van life YouTubers do you think take the time to craft cinematic shots, to craft videos that are appealing beyond just van life? Now my guess would be not very many, and you know what? I was... Whoopsie. You know what? I was totally wrong. When I wrote this script this morning, when I looked at some of these videos, I started really seeing the appeal of this particular niche. You know what? The very best van life YouTubers, they shoot in this style. It's much more about travel and adventure than being in a van. You see, these videos that Jennelle published have been well planned. They've been well shot. They've been well edited, and they're based on proven topics. That is, videos that have already driven millions and millions of views. And these are the things that YouTube has gone on record telling us that they reward. We've started adjusting the rankings of videos in YouTube search to reward engaging videos that keep viewers watching. But that still doesn't really address, how did she go mainstream? How did she leave the van life and get pushed out to so many YouTube channels? I saw her videos, and I have never ever watched a van life video ever. Well, you see these rings right here? Well, imagine that these rings illustrate an ever-growing audience. And as we publish videos, YouTube serves those videos to a small sample audience based on things like metadata and how the audience engages with the particular video. And that's that whole thing on watch time, right? So you publish the video and YouTube sends it out to a small audience. And remember that your videos are always competing against other videos. And here's where it gets really exciting. You see, if your video does really well, if your video beats out the other videos, YouTube pushes it out to an ever-growing audience, and they continue to measure the audience engagement, how long viewers watch, how likely viewers are going to come back to the channel. What about subscriptions? Are people actually subscribing? Have you ever thought that if someone subscribes, not only do you get a subscriber, but it sends a powerful signal to YouTube that the viewer really enjoyed their viewing experience. They subscribed. Now that can be kind of challenging, the idea of publishing these amazing videos, and I discovered something else about Jennelle's videos and the keywords that she targeted. Check this out. Now, what you're looking at is a screen capture from TubeBuddy. And if we look at the keyword phrase van life, you'll notice there are over 199 million videos that include the words van life in the title. That's really competitive. To compete against a keyword phrase van life, in other words, if you only had van life in your title, you'd really have to beat out so many other videos. Now, here's another keyword phrase I wanted to take a look at. This is van life tour. And here, all of a sudden, the amount of competing videos has dropped to 53 million videos. It's still really competitive. It's too competitive. And what if we checked out another keyword phrase like this one right here, van life solo female traveler? Well, this keyword phrase only has 417,000 results showing up on YouTube. Now, let me ask you, do you think you'd have an easier time reaching more people if you targeted a keyword phrase that was not too competitive? Thing is, I can tell you from experience, I have. Case in point, this video right here on Jennelle Eliana. It's driven over 9,254 views in just 48 hours. Amazing. So the thing to think about is this. If you're not using TubeBuddy, check out the link in the description of this video. But you see, there's something that nobody's talking about. Never shared secrets that you can use to get far better results on the videos that you publish. And this video right here will allow you to do just that. Click on the video, watch that, and it will help you to grow. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Click on the yellow B to the G icon right now to do just that. And when you do, you're gonna feed a poodle. I've got 2 and they're hungry. I'll see you next time. You dig?